Well, good morning, you guys. April 27th. I've been nearing the good old faithful blind. Hunted out it for years. Same place. Every year we're usually getting into some birds here with the bow, so I've only been out twice. Cameras have been shy. You know, these birds have been here and then they're gone. So farmers have been working the fields up top. I don't know if that has a factor in it or not, but 63 degrees this morning versus, the average of a 35 lately. So it's only my third time out. And the other morning they were gobbling up on the ridge behind me. Hadn't pitched down. Went right to him, so a week ago today, I was getting ready to get on a plane and checking pictures, so I'll be getting on a plane here later, but there's 3 toms right here in front of the blind, so we can go from all to nothing to more than you thought, so let's just see how it goes. Not a peep yet, not a gobble. Super calm. 6:04, I would assume. Next 15 minutes we should hear something. Years ago, I've had him pitched right up here, 68 yards, fly down, killed out by 7:30, so we'll just see how it goes. I don't got a ton of time. I gotta get home and finish packing and get on a plane, but thought we'd get out here and try to get one for Dad. He's in the hospital battling, as many of you know, so thought I could cheer him up, send him some footage today. 1 or 2, we'll take whatever. He says he wants a double beard, but I said that's a tall order. Let's just worry about one.
Yes, down, baby, down. 57 yards. Dead bird. 57 yards. Dead bird. Dunzo. Most beautiful luminoc in the world, Dunzo. Dun, 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 57 yards. Well, here he is, you guys.
Beautiful bird, heavy, big old hooks. Awesome tail, just colorful bird, right? God, he's heavy. I'm running on barely any sleep. Been traveling. This guy showed up on camera last night. And, it's always fun to put arrows in the air, but awesome year, in a sense. Things are looking up. Dad's in the hospital, been 22 days, and this is for him. So his spirits are high. We talk it multiple times a day. We talk about stuff like this. So this means the world to me. I told him I was gonna get out of here. He said, hey, give one a dirt nap, son. So this one's for you. It's fun. Love putting arrows on the mark. I know he's gonna enjoy the heck out of the footage. Thanks for raising me right and giving me something to do that is passionate to me and allows me to give back. And can't wait to see your boy in action. Wild man, as you call him. He was a little wild today. 57 yards, KO, and we're going home.